I'm Justin Lesh, and we're here at the 2011 International Builder Show at Trane's booth.
This is Trane's new ComfortLink 2 thermostat. It's a 7-inch high-definition interactive control. It was designed primarily to be very easy and very intuitive to use. If you notice, it looks on the main screen here, looks a lot like a smartphone, so that you have graphical icons, so it's very easy. One of the things that we want to do is make sure that you can schedule and use the programmable settings. So by just a simple press of the Schedules button, you'll see a weekly summary of your heating and cooling settings. A simple touch on the display will let you confirm which days you're trying to set. And then you'll get your wake, away, home, and sleep settings. So it's very easy to adjust. You simply just select a period, such as when you wake up, look at the time. You can adjust the time you wake up, the heating and cooling temperatures that you want at the time you set up, and you do that for away, home, and sleep. It's very easy. You can actually even customize the period settings. So if you want to rename that work instead of away, it allows you to do that. The other thing that we do is not everybody has a simple schedule every day of the week. You may want to go on vacation or have a special event, like come to the International Builder Show. On that same screen, there's also a vacation or event schedule, and you can then set a one-time event that overrides your schedule. The beauty of this is you don't have to remember how to go back and adjust your everyday schedule when you get back home. It automatically reverts back, which means you can maintain the efficiency of your system. And the fun part now starts because it can actually be a digital picture frame. So you don't really need to look at all of the temperature settings. You can actually have a shortcut on the home screen that lets this become a digital slideshow. And you can actually have transitions just like you have on your PC at home or on some of your digital picture frames. One of the things we've actually done is this system, this ComfortLink 2 system, will record your heating and cooling runtime costs. Imagine that you've had this system installed in your home for 12 months. You see the blue and red graphs. It gives you your actual runtime of your system, and you can compare it just like you see the runtime bars on your utility costs. You can look and say, well, this August it was 105 degrees. My average indoor temperature was 75. Last year it was only 100 degrees, and I kept my house a little warmer. So it gives you a way to correlate utility cost to your heating and cooling runtime costs. If you look over here on the TV we have, this is a beta application for a Samsung TV. We have on this ComfortLink 2 controller, it has wireless, so it can be connected to your wireless home network. TVs today can be connected to the internet. So now if you're sitting on the couch and you would like to adjust the temperature because you're a little hot or a little cold, you can actually pick up the TV remote using the TV remote, and you can actually change the temperature. And if you notice, it actually affects your actual temperature setting on the control itself. We're going to launch this control to our trained comfort specialist dealers in March. Later this summer, we'll be compatible with our SchlageLink system, which will give you remote access outside the home, either with a smartphone or with your PC outside the home. You also get control of digital locks. You can add digital cameras. You can also control light modules. So we're giving you a way to connect in the home, on TV, and at work. And we plan additional features, and one of them is we're going to give you a way to look at multiple temperatures, different cities. Because we have wireless, we can actually enter your zip code and pull up weather information for your city. We can display a 5-day forecast, give you a radar image with your zip code centered on the image, and if there's any alerts from the National Weather Service, they will also be displayed there to help keep you safe. The other really nice thing is Trane builds the world's most effective whole house air cleaning system called Trane Clean Effects. To clean air, you need to move air, and so we added what we call an air cleaner mode to this new ComfortLink 2 control. Imagine whenever you need to clean air, you can walk over here and put it in a quick clean cycle. What that does is it runs the airflow up to full speed, and we put the power on the air cleaner to maximum, and we get the maximum clean air delivery rate for a 3-hour clean air cycle. We also have an allergy clean cycle, which means spring and fall when you have all the pollen in the air and you're coughing and sneezing. Allergy clean does that full power air cleaning cycle for 24 hours. And I guess the last little piece I have is this also doubles as a zoning control. So if you want to zone your home, put mechanical dampers in the ductwork so that you can only heat and cool the rooms that you're living in, that along with programmability will actually increase your potential for saving energy in the home. And all this can be customizable. You can add as much on the screen or as little as you want. If there are updates as we introduce new features, that you can do that through the SD card, so it's future-proof. Our customers won't have to go buy a new product once we introduce a new feature. We'll just download new firmware. It'll show up a new feature on the menu for an icon. It's available through professionally installed through our Trane Comfort Specialist or Trane Dealer Network. You can go to Trane.com, enter your zip code, and you'll be served up nearby a Trane Comfort Specialist for you to call out.
Can it be retrofitted into older systems?
Certainly can. Designed for ComfortLink 2 systems, but it can be installed on any brand of HVAC system with our 24-volt relay panel accessory.
For more product spotlights, check out buildopedia.com/at-home.